Rightio, mic's facing me this time. Got it on the handlebar mount with a bit of a sort of zigzag sort of thing going on to try and get the camera over in the centre. Here we go for some rougher terrain. This camera, got that on the handlebar mount. It's pretty rocky around here. Don't want to go too hard in case. Should be pretty good. Shouldn't just fall off. And this trail hasn't been getting much use lately. So much grass growing over it. These olive trees are going to get out of control again soon if we don't start trimming them. Yeah, some of these plantings are a bit questionable, I thought. Downhill trail there behind me, mate, if you want it. Super downhill, leads straight down to the valley to sort of nothing really. Oh, so far so good. Oh, trees are growing over. And lots of trees have been cut down through here, including pine trees, which I find a little bit odd. Oh, is the camera looking alright? Yeah, I think she'll be alright. Take it a little easier on some of the rough stuff. They've come along and put some branches along here to sort of create an actual trail, which is cool. Can't go too far though because here is where we get off. How's this camera feel? Yeah, it feels pretty sturdy on there, eh? It's not an Insta360 mount. It's a Ulanzi, some kind of third-party thing. Oh man, this stuff here is slippery, eh? I just felt my foot slip then, and my back wheel. Mossy, hard, slippery clay. Yeah. Here. Good on you, mate. Keep up the good work, eh? Causing some olive trees and stuff, all the looks of things. Just make our way along the dirty Sexby. There'll be a few little muddy potholes here and there, but we'll be alright. Oh yeah, cool. Half starters, those things. Oh, here we go. Just take it slow. Try not to get too much shit all over me and the bike and the camera. Here we go. Loose as, man. Fuck, you wouldn't want to be doing this on an Adelaide bike, eh? Probably be about a third of the way up. Fuck that. Let's push hard on the eve, mate. What's going on here? Burning off, oh yeah. Burning off the stubble. Burning off all the tree litter they've removed. Dead olive trees, etc. Bit of fire going on there. Oh well, at least the smoke's not blowing in my lungs today. We'll go up this one today. Looks doable. It's all clay, man, and a few rocks. Can get a bit slippery and it's wet. And we've got the grass to contend with as well as some off-campus shit. And some branches to throw your handlebars off. Well, heart rate's up at around 172, so can't say you don't get an e-bike workout. Fucking hell, mate. Imagine living next door to that dickhead. Yeah, I used to have a loud motorbike too, but I never kept them very long. It's just too fucking annoying. Looking pretty full, eh? See people fishing here quite a bit. I mean, must be some carp in there or something, eh? How much mud have we got under here at the moment? Fair bit, eh? Yeah, alright, we'll go over the top. Oh yeah, boy. Well, so far so good with this little camera mount. Alright. on. How good's that? So here is the camera mount that I'm using, handlebar mount. It's a Ulanzi CM025. I think that says. I don't have any glasses on. But yeah, just screws on there. It's got 2 ball joints, and basically it's got a screw, or you know, thumb screw there, and yeah. That's the angle there that's kind of getting us that footage. And I'm kind of disappointed in a way too, because I was able to record GPS data with my Garmin watch and sync it up to the files, but that's only usable within the app. You can't use it on the Windows desktop Insta360 Studio, so yeah, a bit disappointed in that. But anyway, not to worry.